Well, I can hear spring in the air. We had some rain the last day or two. In the forest there's less snow because some of it stayed on the trees and melted, but earlier in the season. We still have probably 6 inches of ice to a foot on some of the yard. And then the piles, of course, where we tried to make paths. I drove through the woods the other day on top of the snow with the backhoe. And that worked out kind of okay. I mean, I'm kind of stepping on top of the snow a little bit with sneakers. Not too bad, it's a little mushy. It's about 40 degrees out. Got almost to 50 yesterday. And with all this rain, now we have some real water flow going on. And so yeah, here we go. Nice, peaceful water flowing through, reflecting the sky, melting snow and rain, so to speak. But yeah, here we are on top of the bridge. Good bridge, good bridge, good bridge. Still have those logs there that have been crossing the stream forever. I'm gonna try and get those out at some point. Then we can walk further back here. This is the point where going around the corner, of course I had 4-wheel drive on the backhoe. And our chairs are still back here, so we can kind of chill out a bit. Under the hemlock tree. It's a nice hemlock. I like hemlocks. Yeah, dump that out. That's wet. I'm not sitting on it. But yeah, here's our space to chill out. And enjoy our little bit of paradise here. And then way in the distance is our neighbor's property, preservation land. So we're kind of covered pretty well from that standpoint. And way in the distance you can see our house through the woods. Thanks for watching.